pH 9.5 water. Cheers. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make $150 a day and make money online with free traffic. Now, keep in mind that I'm not saying that you're going to make $150 every day starting today. It doesn't happen that way. It takes effort, it takes hard work, persistence, but if you're willing to do it, you will get there. So before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, as I will reply and I will get back to you. Alright, so the way we're gonna go ahead and to earn these $150 a day or even more is we're gonna utilize the power of affiliate marketing. And why affiliate marketing? First of all, because with affiliate marketing, you can start on day one. You don't have to create the product yourself. You don't have to care about customer service. You don't have to care about the sales process, right? And you don't have to care about delivering the product, delivering their education and the stuff that the person needs to strive and win and also make money online. So we're gonna be helping other people actually make money online. So the way we're gonna do it is I myself promote two main products, which is the products that I recommend others to promote as well. First of all, because I've bought both of them, I use both of them, and I am profitable with both of them. Therefore, I do recommend these products to promote. Now, these products, the good thing about these products is that they are affiliate products, meaning, like I said, you don't have to create the product. On day one, you are ready to promote these products and make money. Now, I'm gonna leave the two links below, which is for these products. One is with Builderall, the tool that I've been using for a long time, and the second one is with Legendary Marketer 15-day challenge. So both of these products are gonna walk you through the process of making money online. They're gonna also do something very important, which is they're gonna teach you the lead generation skill, which is how to grab leads, how to bring leads into your funnel, into your business, so you can make money, right? So these are the skills that are very important. But in this video, I'm gonna actually share with you how do you make money, $150 a day with free traffic. So I'm gonna be revealing to you free traffic methods, how you can utilize these methods to make money online and for free, right? Now, again, I want you to keep in mind that this is not a get rich scheme where you're just gonna jump in and you're gonna make loads of money like out of the blue. No, you have to actually follow the training. You have to apply the steps that are there. You have to take massive action, and you have to believe in yourself that you're gonna do it, and you're gonna take the actions no matter what. And if you are able to do this, then you'll be just fine. Now note that these programs, both of them, they have the lead generation skill there for you to learn. They also have free traffic methods where they teach you, and they also have the paid traffic methods for people that want to grow even faster, right? And now that this is out of the way, I've shared with you the two programs that I recommend. The links will be below. And by the way, you can choose any program you feel comfortable promoting. It doesn't have to be these ones. I'm just saying that these ones are the ones that work for me, but you can choose any product out there. So now let's jump into the free traffic methods so you can promote any product and make $150 a day or even more. Alright, so I'm actually going to share with you the traffic methods that I recommend you go in, and I'm going to give them in a specific order. The mistakes that I did to get to this point where I am, if you were to ask me, Fabio, what are the traffic sources that if you were going to start from scratch, which were the traffic sources that you would go all in to get traffic and to make money and sales? And I'm going to reveal to them in this specific order. So number one is using TikTok. Now TikTok, hands down, is the best traffic source for you to get the fastest traffic as fast as possible. Not only is good for you to make sales, but also it helps you grow other platforms like YouTube and Instagram. But here on my TikTok, as you can see, what I do on my TikTok, first of all, I have here, I teach real online business on my bio, and then I have here resources, and then I have a link which leads them to the product that I am promoting, right? And the strategy that I do is every single day I put at least one video. I try to do a video to go viral, and then at the end of the video I normally tell people like and follow, or I tell them, hey, go check the link I have in my bio if you want to make money online, right? That's how I go about it. And also I'm doing a live video every single day, just answering questions about affiliate marketing. And so that's my strategy here on TikTok. Now, if you want to learn deep into TikTok on how to do it, the strategy, how to do the video, how to do the video in a way that gets engagement, so the video goes viral and gets thousands of views. For instance, this is my last video. This one right here got 5,000 views. This one right here got 20,000 views. Others 30, 300, 400, 2,000, 1,000, and I even have videos that I have one that I think at this point it hit already 1 million views. So with TikTok you can go viral very, very fast if you manage to keep doing videos every single day, and that's the trick. Now on my YouTube channel here, I have a couple of videos on TikTok. Now if you go to my YouTube channel and if you go here to this icon right here, which is to search, and you click on it and you just type in TikTok, it's gonna prompt you the videos on TikTok, how to do it with TikTok. For instance, this one video right here, TikTok secret hack on how to go viral on every single video. Literally is gonna show you how to do that with step by step. Also, this one video right here, how to earn money with TikTok. This one is gonna show you as well. Also, this one, TikTok for beginners guide, right? And I have this one right here, 15 seconds TikTok video formula to go viral. This very good video as well, right? And you also have this one, tremendous growth on TikTok step by step. This is gonna really show you how to do it. And also, so those are the main ones that I recommend you watch them to get the traction going with TikTok. And don't think that TikTok is like for kids and things like that, because with TikTok, the thing is, as you do videos with TikTok on your niche, what happens is TikTok is gonna give you the type of people that are wanting to follow what you have to offer. So, because you see those kids on TikTok watching those funny videos, it doesn't mean it's gonna show you these videos. If you're just starting a TikTok account, it's gonna show you those videos. But as you do videos, it's gonna then show your videos to other people that are related to what you are watching and what you are putting out. That's why TikTok is so amazing. It's so powerful. It's the #1 traffic that out there that you can grow the fastest is TikTok. My next way for you to get free traffic method, it's through YouTube. It is a little bit of a slow process, but YouTube is massive. I cannot recommend enough. YouTube is so powerful. And here on my channel as well, if you search just YouTube, I have great videos on how to grow on YouTube. Like this one video right here. This one right here, promote on your YouTube channel for free. This one video is really good video right here to watch to grow your YouTube channel. And I have loads of videos on YouTube. This one, how I got to 1,000 subs on YouTube, right? So this video is really good as well. Let me see another video. My current gear on YouTube, if you want to learn what I use for YouTube, right? This video is so powerful as well. This one right here, how to get 700 YouTube subscribers and beyond. It's going to actually teach you the skills as well for SEO, how to improve your watch time, right? These videos as well. This one, 29 subscribers every day, how I'm doing it, right? This one, how to edit on YouTube if you don't know softwares to edit and things like that. So how I am about to hit 1,000 subscribers, and more. I have more videos on this. So this traffic method is really powerful, and the way you utilize is you do videos helping people do things online. It doesn't matter what it is, and then the goal is just you're providing value to them, and at your videos you have links for your funnels, for your affiliate marketing business, where you send them there, right? And then because you're teaching them how to do it for free, they are more likely to jump on with you, and they trust you because, I mean, you are promoting something that you believe in, that is working for you, and they're going like, okay, if it's working for him, then I'm gonna take a look into it, right? And then people that are serious take massive action, and they many of them actually change their life, change their income. Not everybody, it's not as easy as it sounds. It takes effort. Now, other traffic methods that I recommend, Facebook as well, it's a great traffic source to get free traffic. Now, here on my YouTube channel, I also have amazing videos on that. If you just search here for Facebook, I have a couple of videos, really good videos showing how to get, so this is how to get out of Facebook jail. This is if you're using the group strategy. And so this is right here. So Facebook groups, how to get traffic with Facebook groups. Here, this one, badass free traffic for Facebook, how to get free traffic on Facebook. And this is going to teach you how to connect with people one-on-one, how to attract them, how to connect with them, and things like that, right? Cool Facebook group hack to get more engagement. Actually, if you go to my most watched videos, my number one or second most watched video, it's how I got 37 sales with Builderall using just the basically the Facebook group strategy and also the Facebook profile strategy. So both of these strategies working together. Another great way to get traffic, free traffic, it's Instagram. So Instagram is really good. I actually have other videos here as well, Instagram, here on my YouTube channel, that literally teach you how to get traffic from Instagram. Actually, I have this one right here, increase Instagram traffic guaranteed, how to grow on Instagram followers and make money on complete autopilot. This one tool right here will get you followers automatically. How to make money on Instagram without followers. Here I teach you how as well. How to grow on Instagram organically, right? So I have a couple of videos on Instagram, and Instagram is really good as well. You can do, you can search for hashtags and connect with people one-on-one. It's really powerful to do this kind of thing as well. Also with Twitter, you can do this, search for hashtags. For instance, if people are looking for, just an example, to make a website and you're offering Builderall, you can search for a keyword, how to make a website, and you're gonna find loads of people wanting to make a website, and you can connect with them one-on-one. But with Instagram, for instance, you can add your bio, in your bio, your link to your funnel. You then can do lives on Instagram, and all of these platforms you can be doing lives as well, providing value to the marketplace. And I always recommend, learn, do, and teach. That way, you're learning something new. You're doing it, you're taking action on it, so then you're gonna know even more, and then you go ahead and you teach to your audience. They're gonna be grateful, they're gonna like you more, and also you're gonna learn more because the retention rate of teaching others is very high. So you kind of killing a lot of birds with one stone, right? By the way, I don't like this phrase a lot because killing birds is not my type of thing. I'm vegan, so not killing birds, no. Let's kill other things. Let's kill the satanic bad guys of the world. No, cut this part, Fabio. No, keep this part, Fabio. Be genuine. Also, being genuine, being yourself, and just embrace yourself, embrace your scars when you're doing marketing online and just trying to get free traffic is really important. Because just being yourself, because people think, I'm just gonna show the best part of myself. No, you gotta, showing your scars, it relates to people, and it really makes a big difference, right? So these are the traffic sources that I recommend with free traffic methods, for you to go and make $150 a day with affiliate marketing. And there you go. I hope that is making sense, right? I can go into deep in each of them, but just search here on my YouTube channel. I have a video specifically going through on detail on each of these traffic methods. So these videos are actually going to teach you better. I just gave you an overview and my opinion on what traffic sources you should focus on for free traffic, right? These are the traffic sources I recommend. There's also, Pinterest as well is a really good traffic source. LinkedIn, LinkedIn is powerful, and Twitter, but the ones that I've shared with you in the beginning, like TikTok and Facebook, YouTube, right? These are the ones that I really recommend, and Instagram as well. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you so much. Don't forget to smash the like button. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, if you want, subscribe, because I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of the family here on my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful for everyone and each of you. You guys are been so amazing, just commenting on my videos and saying I subscribed and just connecting with me, asking questions. I'm so grateful for that, and keep doing that because I reply to every single comment and I will get back to you. With that said, have a blessing day. Always believe in yourself, be authentic. Don't be a copy like everybody else. Be different. If you're weird, if you're strange, grab that. People relate to that. Be yourself. You're great the way you are. Stay blessed, and I will see you next time.